Hey, this is Catherine Santos. I'm a realtor in Sonoma County, and every month I post 2-minute market updates to give you the answers to the 4 most common real estate questions I get asked. What are home prices doing? How fast are homes selling? Are we in a buyer's market or a seller's market? And what are home loan interest rates? I also share any inside information from behind the scenes that you won't see in these statistics. So here's your market recap for July 2019. In July, the median sale price for single-family homes was $650,000. This is almost equal to the median price of $655,000 we saw last July when the market suddenly shifted after a long run-up in prices. So how fast are homes selling? On average, homes are selling in 56 days or 8 weeks. This is very similar to what we've seen all year, so these statistics show that there are really no big changes here. But I'll tell you a little bit more about this when we get to the inside information. So are we in a buyer's market or still in a seller's market? The month supply of inventory is a metric we track to tell us if we're in a balanced market or in more of a buyer's or seller's market. The inventory has slowly been creeping up, and results show that in July, we were at approximately 2.5 months supply of inventory compared to 2.3 months supply in June. Technically, this is still a seller's market, but we're now getting very close to a balanced market. So now how about home loan interest rates? Home loan interest rates continue to stay low and ended the month of July as low as 3.75% for a 30-year fixed-rate conventional home loan. This is really cheap money, as they say, and makes owning a home a lot more affordable. For renters, if you haven't checked to see what it would cost to own a home, now would be a really good time to check. For homeowners, this would be a really great time for you to check into refinancing if you have a home loan with an interest rate anywhere near 5% or more. So here's your inside information. The statistics show that we're in a fairly stable market without any drastic changes in prices, the time it takes home to sell, or the supply of inventory on the market. However, remember that when we're looking at these statistics, we're looking slightly at the past. And the buying and selling process is a long process in real estate. So the numbers we'll see in future months are created by the buying and selling behavior that we're seeing now. In talking with lenders and my peer realtors in the area, we've been seeing some changes in the works. Realtors are talking a lot about new homes that they have coming on the market, promising more inventory to come, but they have very little to talk about as far as new buyers' needs. We're finding that buyers are not nearly as motivated as they were in the past. Some things I've heard recently are that buyers are sitting on the sidelines waiting for lower prices. There have been broker tour meetings where realtors are talking about new listings that they have coming up, but have no buyer needs. This is really unusual. One lender told me that a lot of the buyers he's talking to who are seeking a new home loan need a lot of help with their financial situation and their credit in order to qualify for their loan. Another lender told me that he has well-qualified buyers that have a really great interest rate to purchase a home, and they're still not excited to buy. And while homes that have sold were not on the market for very long, there's a lot of talk about homes that are just sitting on the market without much buyer interest. I've even heard that the rental market has slowed a little bit, and homes that are for lease are sitting on the market and taking longer to rent than they were in recent months. If this pattern continues with fewer motivated buyers and a lot more listings coming on the market, it could affect the market dynamics in a really big way. We'll see how things shake out and what the market statistics show in the next month or two. What do you think? Please comment below and let me know what you think is going to happen. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you found this information helpful. Please share it with anyone who you think might be interested. And if you know someone who's interested in buying or selling a home or investing in real estate, please send them my way and I'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next month.